So, microgreens. It's a relative new category of crops which has gained more attention from chefs and consumers worldwide. The greens are harvested only after 7 to 10 days and are used because of their intense taste, their wide variety of flavors, their colorful display, but most of all their high nutritional content. The way the production of these microgreens has been produced hasn't changed a lot and is produced in the same fashion more or less everywhere, using what I call the soil and tray method, which of course has its cons and pros, but I think it's a good method to use if you're just starting out. We at Nordamark eventually ran into the problem of scaling the production using this method, so we decided to find a better solution that also didn't include soil in the production. This is how it works. Everything is based on the core product, our channel. Instead of soil, we are using a non-woven grow media like hemp fiber that can be composted after usage. We then add water, seeds and stack the channels on top of each other to start the germination. After a few days later, it's off to the lights, and a few days more, it's ready to be harvested or packaged as a live product. We also developed these new packaging cartons to remove plastic completely if that's important to you. So what's a bit different with the solution is that you can test it at home with our small growing kit. If you want to continue on the commercial route, expand using our watering system. We do recommend you to start small and learn how it works and if it fits you, and then continue on expansion bit by bit. Many of our customers have started with a growing kit and then during the year expanded into a small or medium-sized operation, either in greenhouse or indoors. In the near future, we hope to introduce new crops into the system like lettuce, herbs, flowers and more. If you want to learn more about the system and how it works, I recommend you to check out our homepage and download our white paper where we have a lot more information for you. Thank you so much for your interest.